All right, so we're on week 2 for January, with our first phrase being you folks are helping him or her.
Wa nukan.
Perfect. Did you say wat kalap nukwan?
Eh.
Okay. And then how about you folks are helping them?
Wa nukan wheat.
Did you say wat kalap nukwan wheat?
Eh.
Okay. And then how about you folks are helping me?
Wa nukanch.
Did you say wat kalap nukwan?
Eh.
Thank you. And then how about you folks are helping us, number 4?
Wa nukan tumul.
Perfect. Did you say wat kalap nukwan tumush?
Eh.
Thank you. And then how about number 5? He/she is helping him or her.
Wa nukanash.
What nukwanash? Okay. And then how about number 6? He or she is helping me.
Wa nukanchash.
Did you say what nukwanchash?
Eh.
Thank you. And then how about number 7? He or she is helping us.
Wa nukan tumulash.
Perfect. Did you say what nukwantumushash?
Eh.
Okay. And then how about number 8? He or she is helping you.
Wa nukan tanihash.
Did you say what nukwantanishash?
Wa
Tanihash.
nukan tanihash.
Okay. What nukwantanishash?
Eh.
Perfect. Thank you. And then how about number 9? He or she is helping you folks.
Wa nukan tamalapash.
Perfect. Did you say what nukwantamalapash?
Eh.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sorry.
It's
I
okay.
got mixed up.
It's okay. And then if we can practice, if we can start with number 1 and say 3 times.
Wa nukan. Wa nukan. Wa nukan. Wa nukan wheat. Wa nukan wheat. Wa nukan wheat. Wa nukanch. Wa nukanch. Wa nukanch. Wa nukan tumul. Wa nukan tumul. Wa nukan tumul. Wa nukanash. Wa nukanash. Wa nukanash. Wa nukanchash. Wa nukanchash. Wa nukanchash. Wa nukantumulash. Wa nukantumulash. Wa nukantumulash. Wa nukanchihash. Wa nukanchihash. Wa nukanchihash. Wa nukantamalapash. Wa nukantamalapash. Wa nukantamalapash.
Perfect. Thank you.